Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a rapidly developing field over the past few decades, and its future looks promising. Here are some key milestones and trends in the development of AI, as well as some predictions for the future. Development of machine learning. The concept of machine learning, ML, has been around for several decades, but it was only with the availability of large datasets and faster computing power that it really took off. ML algorithms have been used for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and recommendation systems. Emergence of deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves the use of neural networks with multiple layers. It has been instrumental in breakthroughs in areas such as computer vision, speech recognition, and game-playing AI. Advancements in natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, has been an active area of research for several decades, but recent advancements in deep learning have led to significant improvements in NLP tasks such as language translation, sentiment analysis, and question answering. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. It has been used in areas such as robotics and game-playing AI. Explainable AI. As AI becomes more prevalent in society, there is a growing need for AI systems to be transparent and explainable. Explainable AI, XAI, is an area of research that aims to make AI systems more transparent and understandable to humans. As for the future of AI, there are several trends and predictions. Continued growth in machine learning. Machine learning is likely to continue to be a major area of research and development in AI, with new algorithms and techniques being developed to handle more complex and diverse datasets. AI-powered automation. AI will increasingly be used to automate tasks in various industries, from manufacturing and logistics to finance and healthcare. More advanced robotics. Robotics will continue to benefit from advancements in AI, with robots becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing tasks that are currently performed by humans. Personalized AI. As AI systems become more capable of understanding and adapting to individual preferences and behaviors, they will increasingly be used to provide personalized recommendations, services, and experiences. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more pervasive in society, there will be increasing attention paid to the ethical considerations surrounding its use, such as bias, privacy, and accountability. Overall, the development of AI has been rapid and significant, and its future looks promising, with many exciting opportunities and challenges ahead.